Hello, this is my fourth lecture on abstract diagram. I am Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will discuss about the quotient ring or ring of residue classes. Suppose R is an arbitrary ring and S is an ideal, left ideal as well as the right ideal or in R. Then S is a subgroup of the additive group of R. We can form the coset right as well as the left of S in R. Since R is an abelian additive group, therefore if A belongs to R, then the right coset S plus A will be equal to the corresponding left coset A plus S. Thus we shall call S plus A as simply a coset of S plus S in R. We remember from that the coset from our study of coset in group theory. Let if A and B belongs to R, then S plus A is equal to S plus B, which implies that A minus B belongs to R. See it carefully. If S plus A is equal to S plus B, we can write it as A minus B is an element of S. The coset of S in R is called the residue classes of S in R. We denote the set of all cosets or all residue classes of S in R by the symbol R oblique S. Thus, R oblique S is equal to S plus A, where A belongs to R. We shall now impose a ring structure on the R oblique S by denoting addition and multiplication of residue classes. Now, the theorem. If S is an ideal of a ring R, then the set R oblique S is equal to S plus A such that A belongs to R. Of all residue classes of S in R forms a ring from two composition. Form a ring for the two composition in R by S, defining as follows, that is S plus A bracket plus S plus B bracket means can be written as S plus A plus B and S plus A bracket into S plus B bracket can be written as S plus A into B. Since S plus A plus B and S plus AB are also residue classes of S in R, therefore R oblique S is closed with respect to addition and multiplication of residue classes. First of all, now we are to show that both addition and multiplication in R oblique S are well defined. For this, we are to show that if S plus A is equal to S plus A dash and S plus B is equal to S plus B dash, then S plus A plus S plus B is equal to S plus A dash plus S plus B dash, and S plus A into S plus B is equal to S plus A dash into S plus B dash. We have S plus A is equal to S plus A dash. This implies that S dash is an element of S plus A. And if S plus B is equal to S plus B dash, this implies that B dash is an element of S plus B. Therefore, there exists an element alpha and beta in S such that A dash is equal to alpha plus A and B dash is equal to beta plus B. Now A dash plus B dash can be written as you can see on your screen, and ultimately it becomes alpha plus beta, and alpha beta belongs to S, so alpha plus beta also belongs to S. Now, so we can write it as S plus, see this one, we can write it as S plus A dash plus B dash is equal to S plus A plus B. So this can be also written as S plus A dash plus S plus B dash is equal to S plus A plus S plus B. So this addition in R by S is well defined. Now again we prove that for the multiplicative model. So again A dash into B dash can be written as alpha plus A into beta plus B. So after calculation it becomes alpha AB plus alpha B plus alpha beta into plus alpha B into plus A into B, which becomes A dash B dash minus AB is equal to alpha beta plus alpha B plus alpha beta. These are all belongs to S because S is an ideal. Therefore, alpha beta belongs to S and AB belongs to R, that is alpha B belongs to S, AB belongs to S, alpha beta belongs to S, and finally we get all added, then that also belongs to S. So A dash B dash minus AB belongs to S. Therefore S plus A dash B dash is equal to S plus AB, which can be written as S plus A dash into S plus B dash is equal to S plus A into S plus B. So multiplication in R oblique S is also defined. This is very important theorem. Now we are to prove that multiplication associativity in R oblique S, which you can prove it. Commutative in addition, existence of additive inverse in R by S. So S plus 0 is the additive inverse of S plus A, and existence of additive inverse additive inverse. So S plus minus A is the additive inverse of S plus A in R oblique S. Now the associativity in multiplication, distributive law for multiplication, you can all prove this. Now note these things. However, the addition S plus A plus S plus B of residue classes as defined by the coincide with the totality of elements obtained adding them elements of S plus A to the elements of S plus B can be easily seen. S plus A within bracket plus S plus B within bracket is equal to S plus A plus A within bracket plus B, whatever written you can see on your screen. Now again, if R oblique S is another example. If R oblique S is a ring of residue classes of S in R, prove that R is commutative, so also R oblique S. This is also very important. If R has a unity element 1, so that also in R by S, namely S plus 1. Solution. Let's suppose R is a commutative ring. So let S plus A and S plus B be any two elements of R oblique S. Then AB belongs to R and AB is equal to BA. So s plus a into s plus b can be written as s plus ab, which is equal to s plus ba, which is equal to s plus b into s plus a. Now for the this is proved for the R is commutative, so also R oblique S. For the second, if R has a unity element, suppose R is a ring with a unit element 1, then S plus 1 also belongs to R oblique S. If S plus A is an element of R oblique S, we have S plus 1 into S plus A is equal to S plus 1 into A can be written as S plus A. Similarly, S plus A into S plus 1 is equal to S plus A into 1 is equal to S plus A. Hence, S plus 1 is the unity element of R oblique S. So student, today this much only. Thank you.